Hello everyone, and welcome to Artful Life Design's Advanced Text Editing and Template. Template is the browser editing software we use for our template designs, available on our website, artfullifedesigns.com, and our Etsy shop, Artful Life Printables. Template is really convenient and easy to use. There's no software to download or fonts to install. You do all your editing online in your browser, and all your templates are stored safely in your template account. Our template designs are great for DIYers. Just purchase, edit, download, and print. This tutorial assumes you know the basics of text editing. If you need help with that, take a look at our quick start guide to using Template, then come back to this video to learn these more advanced formatting techniques. Let's get started. In the template design space, I can access my templates by clicking here. I'll use this custom sign template to show you some advanced editing and formatting options. There are a couple ways you can add text in Template. A quick way is to click on a text box, then on Clone Object. You can also add a new text box by clicking on Text, then on Add a Heading or Add a Paragraph. Drag the box out for the width you want, then type in and format your text using the toolbar options. Now let's look at some formatting options that will allow you to fine-tune the appearance of your text. Click once on your text box. Go up to the drop-down menu, Show More Tools. First is Text Case. Here you can choose from uppercase, lowercase, or capitalize. Next is Line Height, where you can adjust the spacing between the lines of the text. Next is character spacing, where you can adjust the spacing between the characters. The lock feature lets you lock a text box so that it can't be moved or changed. This next option lets you adjust the opacity of your text. Finally, we have Add Stroke, which adds a stroke or line around the characters. You can adjust the stroke color and width over here. There are also some special effects you can use for your text. You can add a drop shadow effect by clicking here, then to On. Under Appearance, you can adjust the blur, the horizontal, and the vertical offset. Under the Color tab, you can change the color of the shadow. If you click on Show Advanced, you can use the Advanced Color Picker by clicking or entering a hex color code number. For another text effect, click on the arrow in the Color Picker box to reveal this dropdown. Here you can choose different gradients: horizontal, vertical, diagonal, or radial. The default is Color Fill, which makes the text a solid color. I can also reorder my layers. This is handy if you want to place text over an image and the layers are not in the right order. This one sends it backwards, and this one brings it forward. I'm going to move these text boxes around to show you this next feature. If you want to align text boxes, select each by holding down the Shift key, then click here to align left, center, or right. If you want to align text and graphics, select the same way by holding down the Shift key, then click here to align left, center, or right. Now that I have my edits done, I'll go up to the menu bar and click Save. When you're making a lot of edits, don't forget to save your template every few minutes. So that covers advanced text editing and template. For more great tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the link below. You can also stay in touch by following us on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Thanks for watching!